not a whole lot to see. You like this new light I put on?
Ooh, I like that.
And that one, check that one out. New work starts now. Let's go. We are doing the loft, where it's pitch dark, it's a mess, and we're gonna turn it into usable storage space. First off, we need light. And the plan is to clean it up, insulate the floor to start with, and then board it. But ideally, I'd like to have some plugs on each side of the wall and then light in the ceiling.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Cool.
Clean mode engaged.
I done a loft last summer. It was about 30 degrees, 40 degrees.
Incoming guys.
Oh shit.
What do you want me to do with these? Take them out?
Yeah, if you jump down, I'll pass them down.
Last time all the neighbors started dumping their shit over there.
So, not only...
Is it a vacuum?
Yes. Looking better already. The team is back. Say hello, man.
Huh?
We're going on holiday. Easier for us. Look at you, greedy bitch.
But still. Very, well, it's not impractical, it's just... Ugh. Seven, eight. 8 sacks already. That's insane. 8. And that's like 2/3 ish. Good evening.
Hello.
Hi. Ready some cider? You want to share? It's the last one.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Oh, what the fuck is this?
This is a chimney.
I have a chimney that leads all the way down to
Behind
the
the
office. And this is how I lose my phone.
Oh, don't.
No.
Don't.
No.
Yeah, I'll be down there smashing a hole in the wall.
So just like less than 1/3 really to go.
Yeah. On the back of it, ain't we?
Not bad.
Nasty. Fresh like nasty. Fresh like fresh like fresh like
I'm in Ben's van for the first time. How are you, Ben? Good morning.
Good morning. I've decided this is called the dream machine.
The dream machine.
Because it makes dreams happen. But it looks like a nightmare. Go check the loft boards that aren't there too.
Where's this installation, Ben?
I hate the insulation.
Thank you. Yeah, we got them. We got the 9 bits of wood. Legit lush. Dope. Alright, back to work. This is day 2 of turning the loft into a usable storage space. Yes, this is where we are. The loft is starting to go well. We managed to pick up all the wood and stuff that we need. Ben's cutting all the woods to size. And I'm excited about this. I'm gonna have a brand new storage space. Get more value out of your home. Here, this is recording. Put it somewhere so they can see you.
Just one moment. I think we have a pretty good sight on what? This is how the beams are going to go. Get them all set in line, tuck the stuff in, run it all out, put your blocks in.
Boom.
They'll go together quickly. We've done the hard part and we've done well, really.
Looking good. Ben's got a floor. Alright, Palominios, it's time to go to Screwfix and pick up our loft ladder. Then we need to fix in place after we modify the entrance to the loft, because this is like a different shape and whatnot. The biggest problem is trying to catch Ben again.
Oh, nice up here. Who done this?
Me?
You know, you've been working hard.
Yeah, man, I've been busy.
I tell you what, I'm glad it's a cool day. One of those. Look, it's all here. Lovely. Lovely. Unless you intend on having a bath one.
I was gonna have a bath.
Was you?
I really was, yeah.
Into it. Can you wait till I go?
Enjoy knocking down the roof, the ceiling.
Yeah, I will enjoy that. Perfect.
Okay. Do you need us back? Okay, naturally last day does not mean last day. Why would it? But hey, looking nice, looking crisp. Yeah, man. Got a fucking floor.
Hole in one! Benji's multi-trade.
Yeah, you happy?
Yeah, I'm well happy. I'm really, really pleased with it, how it turned out.
So what's left to do here?
Some lights and some nice bits. Nice.
By now, people are getting very used to this shot coming up the stairs. There's Ben making a door, a hatch door. Benji's multi-trade, making doors since he met Bogdan. A stick of truth.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, I like that.
And then we'll fit the latch after. Just like that, we have access to the loft. Benji's multi-trade. I look like I work for them. Right, let's do some hoovering. Oh, what I wouldn't give to have a tall fucking loft, you know? Stand in it.
Wiring it up to that wire.
Ooh, tell us a spooky story. It sounds like you know what you're doing.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, amazing. Fucking hell.
Is it too much?
No, it's just what you want.
Is it? Oh, fuck me.
Why don't we do this first?
Well, I did suggest it.
Yeah, you didn't suggest anything.
I suggested we do the hole to get the wood in. You were like, no, we'll do that later. I suggested let's do the light first. No, we'll do it at the end. This is freaking wow. Right, let's find all of your snags. Let's criticize your work. There's a gap here. There's a gap.
And your friends.
And your mother and your sister.
No, not your mum. Your mum's cool.
Nah, my mom's cool. But your broke ass car. Thank you so much. Yes, the people, it has been months, actual months. The stairs that go up to the loft don't even have carpet anymore because I'm sanding them. The landing and this room are in an actual state and a bit more of a mess because renovation, extension, all of that still is underway. Yes! So when I said we're creating storage space, I wasn't kidding. There was plenty of stuff to store. Let's check it out. Oh my days. It is hot in here. It's gonna be a sauna. Oh my wow. Whew. We are up here where it is boiling. Boys and girls, before we wrap up this video, we need to give a big shout out and a big welcome to Old Man Dice. Turns out one of my friend's dad is a self-proclaimed DIY king. And he enjoys them DIY videos that I put up. So, welcome to the channel. Naively, when I bought this house a year and a half ago, I imagined that within the year we'd have a full extension. Enough time has passed for me to become single again and to realize it's gonna be at least 3-ish years before we have the house like I wanted. But in the meantime, all of the rooms have wooden floors now, not just ugly grey carpet, and so much more that you will see in future videos. Hit that subscribe button right now and then the little bell thing to get the notifications when I upload something new. It's really hot in here. We need to go back downstairs, so I'm gonna end this video. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video. Later.